will thank us later. We were just trying to go.
I'm sorry.
So we really get to know each other.
That's fantastic!
Let me ask you something, Brenda.
He did it.
If I'm not Penny's father and Lloyd's not her father, then who's her father?
Funny you should ask. Honey, how would you like to meet